Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our math lesson. Hey, guess what? We are on a new chapter. In this chapter, we are going to be learning about graphs and maps. But today, we are learning about what is called a Venn diagram. And the Venn diagram, the diagrams presented in this lesson are graphic organizers for attributes. Remember, way back in chapter 1, we talked about an attribute. And an attribute is a characteristic or a way to describe a group. Let's go into further about that. Right here, this is called a Venn diagram. I also have one behind me that we're going to use during, that I'm going to go over right now and using this Venn diagram behind me. Now, we're going to compare sets by using the Venn diagram. And again, it's a way to describe or characterize a group. So right here, and you can use this with whether like on ice cream flavors, like if you like chocolate or if you like vanilla or if you like both. Today, we are going to use it for, do you have a brother? Do you have a sister? Or do you have both, a brother and a sister? So this diagram it uses circles to show how sets are alike or how they're different. Each of the two circles represents some things that are alike in some ways. So there's no items in these circles yet, but we're going to get to that in just a moment. Some attributes you can have in one part of the circle or the other part of the circle or both. And if you don't have an attribute in any of those parts, then you are outside the circle, okay? Meaning you don't have a characteristic or something to describe to go into whatever our Venn diagram is asking. So I'm going to go through really quick, and I'm going to go through using all of my Kinder Beat class to fill out this Venn diagram. So I'm just going to use your first initial and your last name, just so it doesn't take me long to write everybody's. But I'm going to go off of what I believe if you have a brother or sister. I know most of you, and I know which ones of you have siblings. And so if I get it incorrect, please forgive me. So whether you have a brother or sister, both, and or neither, and then you wouldn't go into the Venn diagram. So first is Timothy. Timothy does not have a brother or sister or both, so we're just going to put his name right here, T-A, okay? Or excuse me, T-O. Okay, next one is Nolan. Nolan's got a sister, so we're going to put Nolan here, N-I. Okay, Dominic Warner. Dominic Warner has two brothers, so we're just going to write his name one time, Dominic Warner. B-W. Jocelyn. I think Jocelyn has a brother and a sister, so we're going to put Jocelyn J-V. She is one of each. Venegas has a sister, so D-V. Bella. Bella has a brother, so Bella. Okay, Isabel. Isabel has, she's got both a brother and a sister, so we're going to put her name in the middle. Isabel. Okay, next one, Hannah. I don't believe Hannah has a brother or sister. So, okay. Victoria has a brother. Okay. Nathan has a brother. He has a brother and a sister, which means he would go into this overlapping. Okay. Trey has sisters. So Trey, okay. Solly, I don't believe that Solly has a brother or sister, so we're going to put him right here. Mia, I don't believe she has a brother or sister. April, I don't believe she has a brother or a sister. Austin, I believe Austin has a brother. Hunter has a sister. Summer, I've heard Summer has a sister before because she's told me that, but I don't know if that's true. So I'm going to put Summer out here. Summer. Olivia, I don't believe that Olivia has a sister, so we aren't going to put her name on brother or sister or both. Katerina's got a sister, so Katerina. Patrick has a sister. And Charlie has a brother. So now we finished. Let me see. Liam, I don't believe has a brother or sister. Nyla has a brother. Nyla. Okay, so I believe I got everybody there. So look, wow. So it looks like part of our class has a brother, the other part has a sister, and the other part has neither a brother or sister, and 3 people have both a brother and a sister. So do you see how we divided that up? Either you have a brother or you have a sister, you have both a brother or sister, or you have neither, okay? So that's the way we're gonna use the Venn diagram. It describes a characteristic when we were using brother and sister as our characteristics or groups. So now we're gonna get out page 285 here. So go ahead and get out page 285 while I share my screen with you. Get your pencil and paper ready. Wasn't that fun? I think you guys are gonna like this unit. So with Venn diagrams and graphs. So let's look at our paper here. Okay, so it says a Venn diagram is a picture. It uses circles to show how sets are alike or different. So if we look at, let's look at the shells on the bottom of the page. So right here are Jada's shells. Jada's shells have starfish and clam shells, and Justin's shells have starfish and sand dollars. So which do both of them have? They both have something that is the same. They both have something that have the same. They both have starfish, right? They both have starfish. Oops, sorry about that, guys. They both, so we're gonna circle the shells that would go in the middle section. Remember right here, guys? Right here is that middle section. So they both have starfish. So here's a starfish, there's one, there's one, there's one. There's one, there's one. Those are Justin's. And this is a starfish. So they both have starfish. Okay, did we see that? So Justin has starfish and Jada has starfish. So they go into the middle. Okay? So let's go ahead and turn it to the back side of our paper. Just a minute. Whoopsie. All righty. So again, we have a Venn diagram. Now, listen. This diagram, write the letters in the correct circle. So let's look at our Venn diagram right here. So it has different groups they're in. One has, what does this word say? Curves. Those are C and O. Do they have curves in C and O? Sure. So they're going to go on the curves circle. They're not going to go in the middle because look at the middle overlaps with the other side. The other side is lines. Does a V have a curve? No. Does it have a line? Yes. V is in Victor. Now L, does L have a curve or a line? Well, it has a line. You only uses lines to write the L. Okay, let me erase this so that we can see by the letter P, X. Oh, let's go over the middle one. I'm sorry about that. We have the letter B in the middle, right here, guys. Right here. Does a B have a curve? Yes, it does. Does a B have a line? Yes, it does. So it goes in that middle section because it has both. Okay? All right, so now we gotta figure out where the P goes. So let's ask ourselves, does a P have a curve? Yes, it does. Right here is that curve. Does a P have a line? Yep. So does it go in the curve side, in the line side, or in the middle because it has both? Right, it goes in the middle. So we're gonna write a P here. Okay, next letter. We have an X. Does an X have a curve? No, it doesn't. Is an X made with two lines? Yes. Does it have any curve to it? No. So it's gonna just go in the line side. Now an S. Make an S with your finger. Are you making any sort of straight line? No, you're doing what? Curves. So which side of the Venn diagram does the S go in? Yes, it goes just in the curve section. Okay, do you see how we did that? So P has both a curve and a line. S is just a curve, and X is using lines. Now we're on to the bottom section, number 3. Write A, B, or M. So A, look at this Venn diagram. A means it's hard. B means it's yellow. And the M goes in the middle, meaning it's hard and what? Yellow. Good, okay. So let's look at our pictures. We have, let me erase that. Okay, the first picture is, what is that? A loofah. That's like what you might have in your bathtub or your shower. Okay, so is a loofah hard? No, you're not going to scrub your body with something hard. Okay, is the loofah yellow? Yes. So is that going to get the A, the B, or an M for going in the middle? It's going to go on the B side. Very good. Okay, now we have, what is that a picture of? A hard hat. So is a hard hat, construction hat, I should say, is a construction worker hat hard? Yes, it is. Is it also yellow? Yep. So does it get an A? Does it get a B? Or does it get an M because it's both? If you said M, you are correct. Okay, next, what is that a picture of? It's a teacup. Is a teacup hard? Yes. Is it yellow? Nope. So which, does it get an A, hard, B, yellow, or M, both? A, it's hard. Good, okay. Now we have our last picture. What do you think? It's a pencil. Is a pencil hard and yellow? So what letter do you think it's going to be? Is it going to be A for hard, B for yellow, or M, it goes in the middle because it's hard and yellow? Write down your answer. Okay, if you said M, you are correct. Great job, guys. So how do you feel? Let me get back to my screen. How do you feel about the Venn diagram? Aren't they fun? Yes, they are. Okay, so now we're done with our math paper, and I will see you all tomorrow. I love you and I miss you. Bye-bye.